Now, Missouri's nurses associations have also added their voice to the call. They call it a, quote, urgent plea for Governor Parson to please order a shelter-in-place rule for the state. Quote, nurses are on the front lines of patient care, and protecting this skilled workforce must be a priority as we fight the COVID-19 pandemic. To help curb the growing number of infected, we are calling on your office to enact a statewide stay-at-home and shelter-in-place order to help slow the spread of COVID-19 across Missouri. We know that this threat will not subside quickly. We must issue statewide policy support to preserve our healthcare workforce over the next several months. This is what is needed immediately to curb illness, treat patients, and protect our nurses and the rest of the healthcare workforce. We are committed to working with your administration in addressing this pandemic to help ensure the loss of life in Missouri is minimized. Missouri's nurses and doctors now begging to be protected, to minimize the loss of life in that state, preserve our healthcare workforce. In other words, Governor, please keep us alive so we can keep treating people at Missouri hospitals. But even in the face of those pleas from the doctors and the nurses of the great state of Missouri, Missouri Governor Mike Parson said today he still has no plans to issue any such order. No rush, Governor. I will reiterate that the increase in coronavirus cases in the state of Missouri was only 600% last week, which was the largest increase in the country. But sure, why not ride it out a little longer, see what happens.